Imagine hitting send on a corporate tax filing and a tiny hallucination in your AI software accidentally costs your company $30 million in compliance fines. Not exactly a fun Tuesday.
Yeah, no, that is the kind of mistake that ends careers and, bankrupts companies entirely.
Right. Which is exactly why the transition of AI into high-stakes corporate environments is so fascinating. It can't just be smart, it has to be bulletproof. So our mission today is looking at how this enterprise AI is being built for those zero margin for error spaces.
Exactly.
And as always, I've got the AIagentstore.ai website page pulled up. It's always my go-to spot for tracking these tools.
Oh, same here. I am constantly on the AI agent store just seeing what's new.
Yeah, and today one specific platform really jumped out at me from the page. It's the EY.ai Agentic Platform.
Right, the EY and NVIDIA collaboration. It is a massive shift in how we approach enterprise architecture.
So it's a closed-source enterprise solution built specifically for domains like tax, risk, and finance.
Yeah, we're moving away from consumer-level novelty and into governed, sector-focused workflows in completely private environments.
Which makes sense. I mean, I kind of compare it to hiring a highly specialized forensic accountant with a top-tier security clearance rather than, a generic, witty intern.
That is a great analogy, actually.
Thanks. But how does that actually work? Like, how does combining NVIDIA's private reasoning models with EY's business knowledge completely change the game for enterprise architecture?
Well, think about what it replaces. You can't just upload proprietary corporate financial data into a public chatbot, right?
Oh, definitely not. That sounds like a lawsuit waiting to happen.
Exactly, yeah. So instead of sending your sensitive data out to the open web, NVIDIA provides the raw AI architecture locally. It's secure behind the company's own firewall.
Okay, so the brain is built by NVIDIA, but it stays locked in a vault.
Right. And then EY fine-tunes that private model using their highly regulated business-critical frameworks. It replaces consumer-facing novelty with actual regulated utility, like automating indirect tax processing.
Got it. But looking at the stats on the AIagentstore.ai page, I have to push back on something.
Oh, what's that?
It lists the platform's autonomy level at 42%. Wait, only 42%. Shouldn't a cutting-edge AI agent be closer to, 100% autonomous to be truly efficient?
You would think so, but in risk management and finance, 42% is actually a feature, not a GUG.
Wait, really? How is limiting it a feature?
It is all about the strict human-in-the-loop design. Think about the tax processing example. The AI handles all the massive data collection and document analysis.
So it's crawling through thousands of invoices and flagging discrepancies. The grueling prep work.
Exactly. It does the heavy lifting, but humans remain firmly in control of the high-stakes decisions. The AI pauses, hands the human expert a dashboard of what it found, and the human makes the final call.
Ah, okay. That makes perfect sense. So for you listening, enterprise AI isn't about letting machines run wild and entirely replace human workers.
Not at all.
It is really about governed, secure partnerships between human experts and private models.
Which leaves us with a pretty fascinating paradox to think about.
Oh, what's that?
Well, if these heavily governed AI platforms are intentionally limiting their own autonomy for safety today, what kind of entirely new legal and ethical frameworks will be required when businesses finally decide to take the training wheels off?
Wow, that is a great thought to mull over. If you want to see the specs for yourself, be sure to check out the link at AIagentstore.ai. Thank you for rating the podcast, and we will catch you next time.